Yeah, what's the definition? The definition in your mind.
Oh, I'm Juhi, you want to help here? Like, how about that? Serenade, like, has someone come up to you and try to, sing a song for you and be like, impress you. I don't want to use the word seduce because it does not go in the same sentence.
I only seduce people with music.
We missed it because Raja was talking.
I think so louder for
No,
everyone
that's
at
not
the
that
back.
kind of seduction. It's mental. Yeah, so there was this lady from France, Dubai.
Okay.
I think I was attending an island function and she stopped the car and took a ukulele and sang One Pages. I think it went viral.
Yeah, of course we saw that on your Instagram.
That was
Of
the
course.
last one, yeah.
Has it ever happened in front of your wife?
Sorry?
Has this kind of serenation happened in front of your wife?
Wife is very cool. She's the coolest wife.
Nice,
She
nice.
said, I trust you.
Oh, so sweet. I trust you. What about you, Raja? As a fan, seductively, with you I can sing, seductively come and serenade you. Would you even give them the
Don't
time
try
of
to
day?
serenade me. I need people to be more creative. I just get the DMs. And then, my mom will be like, I want you to get married. And I'm like, mom, open these DMs. There's 15 marriage proposals. You can choose one of these guys.
Give me a sample of what one of those DMs sounds like, okay?
Very, very inquisitive, huh? No, it's usually
Why do you
just...
think they hired me for this
No,
job?
it's usually just, Kumari ma'am, marry me.
Oh. Marry me, marry me. How many girls get that in their DMs as well? Everybody. Every woman on the internet. Arjun,
What's the question exactly?
you forgot, is it?
No, I want to know if it's been amended for me as a
Arjun,
person.
who hasn't serenaded you? That's what Juhi wants me to
You
ask.
see, you guys, I'm a very innocent boy. What are you talking
Take off your sunglasses. Take off
No,
your
I can't
sunglasses.
see without my sunglasses. I'm an innocent boy. Yeah, I'm married now. I'm a family man. It's like we have two beautiful dogs and we...
For a second, I was like, is he making an announcement that we don't know about?
No, I mean, sure, but I mean, I think it comes with the territory and, it's super sweet always. I think it must be so different for girls. For guys, it's like super sweet. It's like really, they'll make you a card and they'll write a note and it's really nice.
They'll send you food.
Food, no, they didn't send you food. See, they send you food.
True love.
They took my food once.
They took your food.
So I was at a restaurant, really interesting story. I was at a restaurant and a fan saw me from far and I left the restaurant. There's a piece of cake left on my table. She put it in her pocket. So nobody gave me food, but
It's black magic. You have to
But
watch.
listen, King piped in over there and said they give you food. So King, they send you food, kya?
Yeah, I mean, everybody knows that I'm a big foodie. So मैं जब भी किसी स्टेट पे जाता हूँ, they always come up with something अच्छा खाने के लिए, घर का खाने के लिए. So sometimes I have biryanis, sometimes I have jalebis and stuff.
That's how they serenade you.
Yeah, I mean that's the only thing.
So
Otherwise,
इसका कोई love letter नहीं आता?
He writes the love letters.
he's also innocent
Look
boy.
at this
Like,
man.
ऐसा तो नहीं आता है. Innocent boy.
Okay, but guys, we're here also to talk about Nexa music. And I know Juhi, Sagar, you guys have questions as well for this esteemed panel. So please, if there's something you'd like to pipe in with. Here's my mic. Mic is off, mic is off.
Check.
Check.
Seasons are we doing after this?
I thought fun filled evening actually, not a business talk.
Sir, pitch meeting में यहीं पे कर लेते, no problem. Sagar and Juhi have the deck also ready.
Let's start the PowerPoint presentation.
So let's not. I think she will very soon start with the presentation. So can I share? I think I was sitting next to Rahman Saab. So Juhi came and said, I have changed the new screen, how it is looking like and other thing. So Rahman Saab said, yeah, it's looking good actually. So I can make it. She is very much business oriented lady actually. So I can make it out. See, Juhi, as long as Rahman Saab is there and he is taking this Nexa music to the next platform, we are together.
No pressure on you at all, sir. No pressure at all.
No pressure.
So I am not putting any pressure actually.
I need to tell all of you guys, the shortlisting and screening for the the Hunt last season was a revelation even to me, actually both seasons. The amount of time Sir spent, he was on the road in US. While he was traveling, because he was touring US, while he was on the road, he was actually getting on calls with us. He spent hours and days shortlisting us, deciding. His biggest problem was that I can't say no to this person. And I mean, that commitment is just next level. And
I think you'll have more trouble this time because
yes.
that had just English. Now we have
Yes.
other word.
Yes, sir.
You know,
So
if
your
you
job
stay
is
in
harder.
You guys are diversifying this season, right? The more languages being
yes,
included.
yes, that's the idea, right?
And the other thing to add is that most of the talent that like whatever we've done, right? They actually get a chance to sing with Sir. Nisa actually tours with Sir, right? So most of them, after the season is done, you'll see them hanging out in Rahman Sir's studio. So that is really the achievement, if you ask me. That they are now all working musicians.
Yeah, it's not just they come in, I've signed my contract, I'm done, tick mark, done. It's a kind of emotional experience with them, and also Nisa has now sung in a movie with me on screen with Mohanlal.
Yes, Nisa, where are you? She doesn't even know what we're talking about.
Yeah.
Talk about you.
IPL. She was the IPL, and she was there. She was there with many concerts she's done. And then Rajkumari, of course, she doesn't need any introduction.
System.
Raja, Arjun and King, what was your first interaction with Rahman sir like? Do you remember?
Yesterday.
No, come on. I know Raja knows him from before.
Yeah, but I had my first conversation with Rahman Sir today. Like I met him in passing, hi, hello, but first time I think, and actually I feel like only I spoke to him, he didn't speak back to me.
I was listening to your song while coming. I asked Abhin and you to put a song of yours.
Really, which was it?
Multiple songs.
Thank you.
Yours.
Thank you, everybody, for life. Wherever you are, I owe you forever. Like.
Raja, you remember your first meeting with Rahman sir?
Oh, I was gonna say the first time was the Rosa soundtrack, Telugu. You mean like how I met him in my life as a
First time?
human?
Yeah.
Oh, I mean, everybody that knows me, I'm gonna say this, knows that I call him my musical father, and I call Lauryn Hill my musical mother, not to age you in any way, but just that you were the first fusion artist that I really saw, like growing up in America, and the way that you would always blend in so many different sounds, like if something was happening in America, you would find a way to bring it in to the music that you were producing, and that really helped me find my identity as a fusion artist. And actually my parents, they didn't take my career seriously at all. Like I was literally signed to a publishing deal. I had got a Grammy nomination as a songwriter. The album had debuted top 10, like I wrote a song for Fall Out Boy, but my parents literally wanted me to quit music until the day I showed them.
Become a doctor. Become a doctor.
Yeah, my parents are doctors, yes. And they wanted me to quit music until the day that I met A.R. Rahman and I showed them a picture. And from then on, they've definitely believed in me, but it was, I'll tell more of the story. I actually put a picture on my vision board because I believe in manifestation. I think a lot of people know about it, but it's a very powerful force because when I put your photo on my vision board with your 2 Oscars, you were the farthest away from me growing up in Los Angeles, just thinking one day, if I'm in the room with A.R. Rahman, my life will change. And it did. It definitely did. And this morning I was kind of having this moment. I was listening through the playlist and kind of remembering how your music has been the soundtrack for my life. And I just had this recollection of myself as a child visiting India with my Discman again. I'm aging myself, my little CD player, and listening to the Rangila soundtrack. And then today when I was driving here, I was like,
Can I talk?
No! I'm giving all of my sound bites now. You guys are pressed.
Guys, never in 100 years do I think that A.R. Rahman would tell someone else, can I talk?
No, what I wanted to say was like this generation has to bring credibility to music as a profession. No parent should ever say that music, you do music but also study doctor, become an engineer. So I think all of you are the ambassadors for music. So your success will bring music to a position where the parents can say, yeah, my son is doing music, my daughter is a singer. with pride, not with, oh, she's a singer, oh, then what else does she do for a living? No, this is crazy. This is not
Because
changed.
honestly, that also must be the most hurtful question, right? As a musician, when you want to be a musician, until you're maybe, sitting on stage with A.R. Rahman, your parents are kind of going like, I'm on the side.
Exactly. That's the movie of 99 songs about that.
Yeah,
So-
correct.
And I think even from KM, KM Conservatory, which we started in 2008, just for this thing. If you make something like a Julia, they're okay, cool, saying, oh, my daughter's a Julia. So we want to make KM like that. And all the kids who are coming out are working with everybody in the industry. That's an amazing moment for us.
Janice, I want to say something. We were shooting with King, and King had something very amazing to say about Rahman sir. आप बताओगे आप क्यों रहमान sir को इतना बड़ा दर्जा देते हो? वो मेरे पास फिल्म में भी है, मगर मैं आपसे सुनना चाहती हूँ.
We all want it. मुझे तो जवाब भी नहीं पता.
मैं आज सोच के आया था सबसे कम बोलूँगा.
क्यों?
मैं नर्वस हूँ थोड़ा. मतलब क्यों? मतलब ऑब्वियसली क्यों नहीं. सर के बारे में मैं जब भी कोई गाना सुनता हूँ किसी का भी, तो मैं हमेशा जब उसको गौर से सुनता हूँ तो ना वो डाइसेक्ट हो जाता है डिफरेंट चीज़ों में. स्नेयर्स अलग बज रही होती है, मतलब थोड़ी अजीब बात लगेगी थोड़ी सी, तो ये सारी चीज़ें ना डाइसेक्ट हो जाती हैं. और मैं सोचता हूँ कि अगर मैं क्रिएटर बनूँ, अगर मैं इस चीज़ में अपना कुछ डालना चाहूँ तो वो क्या चेंज होगा, क्या एक ऐसा, मेरी नॉलेज के हिसाब से क्या एक ऐसा फ्लॉ है जो मुझे लगता है कि अगर वो रिप्लेस हो और उसकी जगह कुछ और वहाँ पर लगे तो ये और अच्छा साउंड बेटर लगेगा. बट व्हेन इट कम्स टू सर, एक भी जगह, एक भी वो साउंड, एक भी ड्यूरेशन पे मुझे नहीं मिला जो मुझे लगता हो कि ये चीज़ ऐसे होती तो और अच्छी होती. क्योंकि जब आप ऐसे म्यूज़िक देख के और सीख के ऐसे बड़े होते हो तो आप अंदर से ना थोड़े से चीज़ों को रेबेलियस होते हो, थोड़े से चीज़ों को लेके, क्योंकि आपको लॉज नहीं पता चीज़ों के. मेरे लिए म्यूज़िक इज जस्ट लाइक अ वाटर, मतलब डुबकी मारो तैर जाओ जैसे तैरना है वो चीज़. तो जब मैं सर को सुनता था तो जब तुम साथ हो आया गाना, अगर तुम साथ हो, वो एक ऐसा गाना है जिसमें 1% मतलब दैट्स द परफेक्ट सॉन्ग, परफेक्ट फ्रॉम स्टार्ट टू एंड. और मैं इतना माइंड ब्लोन हो गया कि मैंने 20-25 फॉर्मेशन अलग अलग सोची होगी कि अगर इसकी जगह वर्स ऐसे आता या कुछ ऐसे आता, कुछ भी ऐसा नहीं था जो वहाँ पर फिट हो सकता था. इट वॉज जस्ट अ परफेक्ट मास्टरपीस. और मैं सर से एक चीज़ से और इंस्पायर्ड जो मैं इस साल खुद कर रहा हूँ, मैं 2-2.5 मिनट के गाने नहीं बनाना चाहता. आई वॉन्ट टू मेक म्यूजिक, नॉट कंटेंट. आई वॉन्ट टू मेक म्यूजिक. सो आई एम सो इंस्पायर्ड बाय सर कि जब म्यूजिक फ्लो हो रहा हो, जितना भी जा रहा हो ना, नो मैटर व्हाट, वो 5.5 मिनट का 6 मिनट का अच्छा म्यूजिक होता है. आई डोंट वांट टू मेक बिग सॉन्ग्स, स्मॉल सॉन्ग्स, आई जस्ट वांट टू मेक गुड सॉन्ग्स. दैट्स ऑल आई हैव लर्नड फ्रॉम सर.
God bless. God bless.
थैंक यू सर.
I'm going to wrap up this panel discussion with asking each of you to give me one adjective to describe what you think you should want to expect from Nexa Season 3, Nexa Music Season 3. Sir, should we start with you? One adjective to describe what you expect from Nexa Music Season 3. Correct. Great.
Creativity at its best.
One super duper hit.
Oh, look at you with the views.
The KPI is coming again. Different sounds.
Nice. Sir?
So I heard Michael Jackson's favorite word was wonderment. So I was speaking to Kenny Ortega, who said this was his favorite word, and he said it should be wonderment. Wonderment. Like all of them coming together and shining and bring something new.
Lovely. Raja?
I want to see someone be fearless and really take a risk and really go for it.
Nice.
Probably authenticity.
Nice. Okay?
I feel like something unheard but amalgamation of so many sounds under this one perfect spotlight. This is what I feel.
Fantastic. Give it up for our amazing panel, guys. Let's do a lovely photo op. And King, Arjun, Raja, you all promised me your sunglasses. I'll take it later. Oh, guys, join us on stage, please.
ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಲೈಟ್ ಚೇಂಜ್ ಹಾಂ ಧುआ ಧुआ मार के अभी पूरा ये कर दिया तो लाइट
Rahul sir, we need you on stage, please.
Abhimanyu.
Abhimanyu,
Abhimanyu, Rahul, can you guys please come on stage?
please, sir. Abhimanyu, if you can find it.
ए मांजरेकर
Rahul sir,
मांजरेकर मारा नहीं सरक ना
please. We need you.
काय टाकला येतो तुला
Abhi, please tell me which song you played for Rahman sir.
अरे मांजरेकर तुझा मांजरेकर
Guys, you want solos first or do you want group first? Group.
जाऊ का मांजरेकर झाला काय बारक्या लवकर रे जरा कर
Sir. Could we request you to stay back for the media interactions?
Does it look cool?
क्या बनाना है इंटरेक्शन
रोहित पूछना रोहित पूछना तो
रोहित पूछ के हो गया ना पिंगे
Members of the media, if you have a question right now? Yeah. Okay, so.
Because Nexa we feel is to create. So the creation, nothing can be better than the music actually. And just to share with you, the index of creativity which is connected with the music is going up tremendously. Right now that index is close to 55% actually. And we feel in times to come, the Indian customers, the one thing with the affinity really works is the music actually. And sitting next to me, he is the guru how to connect with the Indian customers. And coming to the regional part of it actually which you said, I think it's a wonderful move actually which is going to give us very good dividends. So let us hear it from Rahman sir actually.
Talked about each language has a nuance, and India is such a rich country culturally. And this is probably a great opportunity to bring everybody together through the sounds, the words, thoughts, and also bringing forward those musicians who are extraordinary, who never got a chance before. Because everybody takes away that, especially movie people take away the language like me. I think it's important to bring them. Yeah. Actually, both ways. They're giving us a chance to show.
Guys, I think the question was for you guys as well.
Oh, sorry,
What
we
was the
can't.
larger objective of Nexa Music as an IP?
You guys want to go first?
As the headliners for this season, you guys want to chime in?
I think the thing that's really exciting to me as an English artist in India, it's always been like notoriously difficult to break through. What Nexa has created in the last 2 seasons is this platform, but this season I think it's reflecting kind of what's happening in independent music, which is there's so many vernacular languages. There's Telugu hip hop, Tamil hip hop, there's Telugu singer-songwriters, and I think what's going to happen this season is going to be more representative of us as a whole. And I'm excited to hear more things from the South and kind of lean into that. So that's what I'm hoping to see.
King, yeah, they want to hear from you and Arjun also. Please speak.
She just said everything like.
नहीं, seriously. Arpan, not allowed today.
I mean, मेरे को तो पर्सनली जो भी जगह अनहर्ड लोगों को दिखाती है उनके लिए स्पॉटलाइट क्रिएट करती है और मौका देती है, मेरे लिए वो हर जगह बहुत ज़रूरी है. फ्रॉम लाइक मैम मेरी जज रही हैं ऑलरेडी, तो मैं इंट्रोड्यूस ही वहाँ से हुआ, तो मुझे पता है कि ये चीज़ बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट होती है. अगर मिलती है तो बहुत अच्छे से संभाल के रखनी चाहिए उस तरीके से. एंड ऑल्सो जितनी डाइवर्सिटी है, जिस तरह से इनफैक्ट हिप हॉप जिस तरह से ग्रो कर रहा है, मैम ने अभी कहा, एंड डिफरेंट साउंड्स जैसे ग्रो कर रहे हैं, क्योंकि नॉन फिल्म की बात कर लेते हैं. लिसनर्स अब बहुत ऐसे हो गए कि उनको कुछ नया भी सुनना है और वो खुद जाके हर इंसान के पास यहाँ पर कोई ऐसा आर्टिस्ट होगा जो अनहर्ड होगा और वो अपने ग्रुप ऑफ फ्रेंड्स में फ्लेक्स करता है या दिखाता है कि यार देख मेरे पास एक अनहर्ड आर्टिस्ट है, और अपनी पेट लगाता है कि ये बड़ा होगा. तो आई थिंक ऐसे आर्टिस्टों के लिए बहुत अच्छा पुश है. ये वो बहुत जगह है जो बहुत लोगों से कनेक्ट कर सकते हैं. एंड आई थिंक मेरे साथ हुआ तो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि किसी के भी साथ हो सकता है. तो इसलिए मतलब दिस प्लेस इज रियली इम्पोर्टेंट.
Hey, sir, didn't see you.
आइए.
Sir, आइए. Sir. Sir, आपके लिए ये सीट रखी हुई थी हमने. सर कोई बड़ी बात नहीं, सवाल जवाब चल रहा है बस. Arjun, you wanted to add first?
I think these guys said everything that needed to be said. I just had a few more things that I would like to add. Firstly, it's such an honor to be on stage, sitting next to Rahman sir, next to these amazing artists. My God, look at them. And I think that the music industry is changing like never before. Right? So when I started making music, about 17 years it's been now. There was only film music, and now in the last 7 years or so, it's completely changed. I was the first artist to ever be featured on Apple Music or iTunes in India. I was the first ever person, right? So back in 2015 when I launched my first non-film song, I was begging people to hear it. I was like, please listen to my voice, please. You know, it was like go to radio stations and beg people to listen. And I think back then the statistic was something like 2% non-film, 98% film, right? Now it's about 50-50. So much has changed, and I think properties like Nexa are pretty much, Nexa Music, sorry, it's pretty much like kind of, it's just adding to the culture. You know? It's adding that platform for unknown musicians to come and show what they have to the world. It's not even like, now it's not even like, okay, just India, it's like the whole world. I started a music label about 2-3 years ago, and I mean, I'm doing music from all over the world now. I go to Japan very often, and we have a label there. You know, it's just the world is becoming so small, and properties like Nexa are just giving us that platform to reach more people and change, you know, give more, how do you say, more opportunity to guys who've never heard. I think King said the right thing, and it's funny because King was one of the first artists on my label. Yeah, we did a song together in the lockdown, and
we all know the collab guys.
Yeah, we collaborated for one of my first songs on the label. So, in that time, I think I told people, I was like, this guy's gonna be superstar, right? So I think it is all about the unheard artist, and it is all about you know, the future of music and taking that one more step towards giving the smaller artists a chance.
Fantastic. सर आपने अभी हमको स्टेज पर ज्वाइन किया है, जो उभरते सितारे हैं म्यूजिक की दुनिया में, उनके लिए अगर आपको 2 विशेष टिप्पणी देनी हो तो कुछ भी उनके लिए कोई एडवाइस? जो यंग टैलेंटेड म्यूजिशियंस आ रहे हैं इस इंडस्ट्री में, उनके लिए अगर आपको कोई टिप देना हो तो?
जी सर बैठे तो आई थिंक बेटर तो सर ही कह पाएंगे कि क्या करना चाहिए, बट स्टिल यू नो जिस कम्युनिटी से मैं आता हूँ, बिलोंग फ्रॉम मांगनेर कम्युनिटी, who's carrying, living, loving music since more than 15-16 generations, 12th century से हम गाते हुए आ रहे हैं, एंड हम लोग म्यूज़िक अपने परिवार में ही सीखते हैं, तो ये उसका आंसर है एक्चुअली। और बट यही है कि अपने जो म्यूज़िक है ईमानदारी से करो, सच्चा म्यूज़िक करो, डोंट फॉरगेट योर रूट्स, जो रूट्स को यू शुड नॉट फॉरगेट, बिकॉज रूट्स का मतलब जड़ जोड़ती है, तोड़ती नहीं है, यू नो। एंड फ्यूजन करना तो डू फ्यूजन बट डोंट डू कन्फ्यूजन। एंड आई हैव डन लाल पीली अंकिया 2018, आई हैव डन फ्यूजन, मैंने उसमें स्पेनिश म्यूज़िक को थोड़ा सा दिखाया और सुनाया, तो वो फोक गाना था और इतना पॉपुलर गाना हो गया कि उसमें मैंने आटे में नमक जैसा काम किया, जो क्योंकि अगर नमक नहीं डालेंगे तो रोटी फीकी लगेगी, तो इस हिसाब से बस यही डोंट फॉरगेट योर रूट्स के साथ कायम रखिए, क्योंकि संगीत एक ऐसी खोज है जो ना ख़त्म होने वाली खोज है, जहाँ से स्टार्ट करोगे वहीं से स्टार्ट होगे, जहाँ से फिनिश करोगे वहाँ से स्टार्ट हो जाती है।
वाह, क्या बात है। Members of the press, any more questions? Hi. Do you see?
Mr. Rahman could possibly lend his name and expertise in Nexa cars. Is that something in the pipeline?
I think very good suggestion, I would say. I never thought of it. So just now I was talking to Rahman Saab that maybe we can further see to it how we can further leverage and strengthen this relationship between Rahman Saab and the Nexa brand actually. But let me share with you one thing. This music part of it, we have got more than 13,000 followers on the Instagram for the Nexa music. That's a huge thing. And more than 36 million their followers. So the Nexa music is playing a very important role in our brand building actually. But yes, we can further think of, your suggestion is very important, we can further see to it how we can leverage it.
So possibly a Rahman signature edition in Nexa brand?
Yeah. I think you have got very beautiful ideas. So I may be taking these inputs over the train with
Do you want to join marketing team, sir? I can set up a meeting. I have an inside.
I think they want you to join them.
Either of you is fine.
Maybe the voice, the
That's a good
navigation.
suggestion actually.
The navigation voice may be Rahman sir.
Like the
I could also join, sir. We all have inside.
Nobody would hear it. You need Rajakumari's voice.
Any more questions? Guys, someone get them to sing. Anyone?
Sir, why you troubling us?
Someone get them to sing. Then
If I may take one small liberty of asking another question directed to Mr. Rahman. Like, you know, this season 3 you spoke about finding regional talent. Globally, if I look at chartbusters and, like, you know, when I talk to people from abroad, more when it comes to Indian music, either it's form of classical, Hindi or Punjabi to some extent. You talk about Marathi music, you talk about Tamil, Telugu. We have got a huge genre of music that has not been explored and to the potential for the global markets. So what do you think can be done? Because, like, you know, recently Grammys, when you won the Grammy for Jai Ho, like, you know, there was a new kind of follower base.
I think the human mind works with empowerment. The moment I think in our country we have so many different complexes, or, you know, I don't want to mention all this stuff, but if the human mind is empowered and they know, I think that's why winning those Grammys and Oscars is not just for me. When I won the Grammy, I said, in 10 years, all the Indian musicians are going to win that, and it's becoming true. Last year, I think there were like almost 6-7 Grammys won by Indian artists. And the mind opened up. Our limitation is just our mind. When we think that we are small, if we manifest that this is the best song in the world and the world is going to listen to it, it never listen to it. If you don't have it while creating it, you can't do it. So I think this should be that. This should be that every language is important and they can shine, you know, anywhere. And I think that's what I've discovered in the past 10 years. If you empower a mind, they can do anything. Never underestimate it, even a single person, single artist.
Any questions? Please.
Not from the media, I just again said, but this is a deep. I think the Rosa song came in when I was born, I'll tell you. And then I think 2-3 years later when I started understanding music, I've been hearing your music. Dil Se, Rosa, and then so on, so on, so on, and so on, so forth. Till date I listen, Dil Se whenever I get low. So majorly this question was, when do you listen to a new music, how do you dissect it? And what is the first thought which comes into your mind? What you're trying to listen in? The acoustics or the bass lines or all those things. I'm not a musician, but yeah, I just love, I breathe music. But yeah, that's why I'm asking, and one request, if you can sing this.
I can't sing anything. Actually. So the idea of art is not to dissect it, to take it fully, and even with the flaws, even with the you don't know, I should have put autotune here. It's not like that. The emotional impact which creates with the lyric and the tune, and even if you don't understand the lyric, and that's what I feel like. I switch off from my interrogation mode and just listen to music as music. Not, oh, this voice is good, this could have been better. No, I think it's made. Give respect to the creator and listen to it.
Excuse me. I just have a story. It's not a question actually, but a story about A.R. Rahman and cars.
Wait 1 second, let me introduce you. The wonderful Clinton Sereo, guys.
So we were, I had the good fortune of judging a show that we did called Arrived on YouTube, and Pooja was part of the Arrived, and so the first day of shoot gets over, and each of the 3 judges, me, Shan, etc., we just get into our, the cars that these guys arranged were all 7 Series Beamers, okay? And we just get into our cars, and I was actually just waiting for A.R. sir to come out, and he comes out, and he gets into this small little Tata Nano, okay? So I was like, why am I getting into a 7 Series and why is sir getting into a Nano? So I went to him and I said, I just said, nice car, just as a, he said, this is a Bentley, man, it's all in your mind.
Okay, to be more clear about it, I have a studio 2 streets next to my house, the biggest studio. So I wanted a very small car to park.
Yeah, it's amazing. And it almost made me feel really bad that I was getting into this huge car while I was getting into this. Yeah, so that's A.R. for you.
Thank you so much, Clinton. Thanks for sharing that. Okay guys, before we ask our esteemed guests to leave the stage, we have a little sneak peek of what's coming up this season. Guys, please turn your attentions to the AV behind our guests.
Music Season 3, the hunt is open now.
Last thing guys, can I request all of you to please come to the center one last time for our photographers. So, please. Let's all balance. Mr. Nobutaka, sir, please. Where's Sagar? Where's Abhi? Abhimanyu, come fast without your jacket, it's okay. Very nice.